This is New Manila, considered one of the richest neighborhoods in the Philippines. It was bought and developed by Doña Magdalena Hemadi, a Lebanese immigrant, after World War I as a residential area for those who wished to escape the busy streets of Manila. Hacienda de Magdalena, as it was called back then, is considered the first gated community outside of Manila. Although nowadays, the neighborhood is open to outside traffic, while some roads are closed depending on the schedule. Prominent figures like former Presidents Manuel L. Quezon, Cory Aquino, and Noynoy Aquino lived here at one point of their lives. New Manila is located in Quezon City and is accessible to the public via Gilmore Station and Betigo Belmonte Station of LRT Line 2. The area also hosted respected educational establishments and religious establishments alike that served the local community. Across the years, business establishments blossomed within and near the barangay. Nowadays, one can always find new activities to do in New Manila.